that's only an afterthought for me when I'm putting a pancake layer into my base designs. The reason I put pancake layers is because they're extremely good at defending from side raids, because essentially what they do is they make it so rockets, which do splash damage, cannot split the first and second story of the base. They can only break into the first story in the pancake layer, or only break into the second story in the pancake layer. So by adding one pancake layer, you're essentially doubling the raid cost if the raiders also want to get to the second story. And this feature, so to speak, is a big deal because so much of the effectiveness of rockets comes from that splash damage. So I'm going to speed this up. Eventually you see the raider break into the first story of this base, and in total he used 12 rockets. Now for comparison, we'll switch over to the exact same base design that does not have a pancake layer in between the first and second story. For that exact same amount of explosives, the raider not only gets the first story, but also into the second story. If you frequently raid, you know that that's what makes rocket raiding so lethal, so effective, and really explosive ammo raids for that matter too. The splash damage, blowing into multiple floors of a base at one time, and that is eliminated if a base has a pancake layer. Simple.